Allow me to stand on the aforementioned protocol. His Imperial Majesty, Ọba Ghandi Afọlábí Ọláoyè, Òrumọgẹ III, Ṣọ̀ún of Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ land, is a visionary leader, a motivational speaker, and entrepreneur known for his immense commitment to excellence and leadership skills. Ọba Ghandi is the Chief Executive Officer of Peculiar People Management, PPM, and Ghandi Limited, Management and Human Resources Consulting Companies based in Lagos, Nigeria, and Maryland in the United States of America. His Imperial Majesty, Ọba Ghandi, is the chairman and co-founder of Great Place to Work Institute, Nigeria, and a director of Great Place to Work Institute, United Kingdom, based in London. GPTW is a global research and management consultancy company that recognizes the best workplaces in over 56 countries worldwide and provides premier business and advisory services. Also, the chairman of Quest Oil and Gas, Ascon Oil, a Nigerian independent marketer of petroleum products, storage, distribution, and sales. Quest Engineering Company, which is a value-driven energy company providing eco-friendly and innovative services in the upstream, midstream, and downstream sectors. Ọba Ghandi is chairman of BUOJO Limited, a telecommunications support services and information technology consulting company. Ọba Ghandi Ọláoyè is also the chairman of Education Advancement Support Services, EASS, a limited company focusing on engagement and fundraising technology for higher institutions. His Imperial Majesty served on the board of the National Council on Privatization, NCP, and the board of the Bureau of Public Enterprise, BPE, between 2017 and 2021. Ọba Ghandi is a member of the Board of Trustees of Strategy for Monitoring Initiative and Leadership Empowerment, SMILE, a young entrepreneurship for development and a non-profit organization. In January 2009, Governor Martin O'Malley of Maryland in the United States of America invited Ọba Ghandi to serve as an advisor and council member on the Council for New Americans. He served a 4-year tenure on the council. He assisted the governor to form policies on immigration integration into the state of Maryland. His Imperial Majesty serves on the board of a Smile on Their Faces initiative, which is a non-profit initiative focused group for people living with disabilities. Ọba Ghandi served as the chairman of a real estate development project in Floyd, Texas, in the USA, where he oversaw the development of over 700 acres of a campus, a college, a housing estate, and a 20,000-seat auditorium. A founding member of the board of directors of Adam Smith Investment and Financial Company in Ikoyi, Lagos here, between 1990 and 1993. Founding member of the board of directors at Touchmark Saving and Loans, Lagos, between 1992 and 1995, and member of the board of directors at Dunamis Finance Company. This was between 1991 and 1994. An associate of the International Third World Leaders Association, ITWLA, a forum created to exchange cross-cultural ideas globally chaired by the late Dr. Miles Monroe. He represented Miles Monroe International in Nigeria for over 10 years. Ọba Ọláoyè is an influential community leader recognized in Nigeria by former Nigerian President Olusegun Obasanjo in 2001 and the United States of America by President Barack Obama in 2011. He is a recipient of the Youth Empowerment and Positive Mentoring of Africans in the Diaspora Award, an award conferred by the African Business Roundtable in the year 2008. Ọba Ghandi graduated with a Bachelor of Arts degree in 1982 from the prestigious Obafemi Awolowo University in Nigeria, which is the former University of Ife, with honors in English and library studies. He holds a master's in industrial and labor relations with emphasis on human resource management from Nigeria's premier university, the University of Ibadan, in 1987. Born on August 23, 1961, he enjoys traveling and has been to over 65 countries in Europe, Asia, Australia, the Caribbean, North and South America, the Pacific Islands, and Africa. His other interests include swimming and playing Scrabble. His Imperial Majesty, Ọba Ghandi Afọlábí Ọláoyè, is an ordained minister married to Ọmọ Ghandi Ọláoyè and has 2 children, Tolu and Tolumi. Thank you.